Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix SUPERVIVE game is not launching on your PC. Guys, first open up the Steam, then just click on the game which is SUPERVIVE, then just click on the gear icon and go to your game properties. Now here you will see the launch option. Now in the launch option just type -dx11, and once you type it, now launch the game, then check. Still not launching, then just type your -dx12. Now launch the game, then check, and still not launching, then just type your -D3D11. Now launch the game, then check. Still not launching, then just move the launch option and just uncheck the box of Steam overlay while in game, then launch the game, then check. Because Steam overlay interfere with the game and cause now launch issues. Now still not launching, then just disable the Discord overlay. Guys, if Discord is installed on your PC, then just open up the Discord and go to the setting and just disable the Discord overlay, then restart your PC, then launch the game, then check. Still not launching, then just click on the install files, click on the verify integrity of game files, and it will take some time, so just wait for it. Then restart your PC, then launch the game, then check, or even relaunch the game, then check. Still not launching, then just click on the browse option you are seeing on the top, and guys, look for your game launcher or reject file of your game, so make a right click on it and go to its properties, then go to the compatibility, and here just uncheck this box and also uncheck this box and just check the box of administrator, then just click on apply, launch the game, then check. Still not launching, then just check the box of disable full screen optimization, then just click on apply, launch the game, then check. Still not launching, then just check the box of compatibility mode and choose it the Windows 8. Now just click on apply, then launch the game, then check. Still not launching, then just uncheck these two boxes and just click on apply, then just click on the OK. Now the next solution that you have to try is update your Windows and update your graphic card drivers. So go to your Windows setup, hit the updates and just open it. Guys, update your Windows and also make sure that your graphic card drivers are up to date. If you have the NVIDIA graphic card, so open up the NVIDIA control panel and just check for update, and also do same for the AMD. So once you update your graphic card driver, restart your PC, then launch the game, then check. Hope these fixes fix your problem, and if yes, please like this video, and bye bye and take care.